Hello friends, myself Ravi Ananya, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is garbage collector in Java. So today's date 12th October 2022. So we will start. So basically garbage collector, as its name, garbage collector means, in simple we can say someone who collect the garbage, or someone who make cleanliness. So in Java, there are some features, that is garbage collector. So as we know that in the language like C++, the developer have to perform some actions so that he can manage a memory management, better management. So, but when we say about Java provide some new advanced features so that the developer don't need to worry about the memory management. So there is we can say there is one thread. A thread, what is thread? It is a we can say a process, or it is someone who execute a process. So there is a thread which runs with our program when we execute our program, and it will check whether there is something that is not in use. So which we can say basically it perform on heap memory. So if there is an object which is created, and but at present it is not in use, and there is no reference, or there are no reference of that object is given to any of the we can say reference variable. So then the garbage collector will destroy that object and will manage the memory management. So as compared to C++, there may be some issues that suppose if the developer didn't manage garbage collector, or didn't perform better garbage collector in its program, in that scenario the program may terminate, and so the output will not come as per the developer or user need. But in Java, the developer don't need to worry about the garbage collection. So it will collect, or it will automatically executed when it is needed, and because of that the memory management is better, or you can say it is good, and the execution of program flow will be continue properly. So we can say as compared to C and C++, Java provides some more features as we can say as compared to memory management. So this is a predefined method, or we can say this is a predefined function provided by Java itself. So the developer don't need to worry about it, and don't need to manage garbage collector by itself. So there are some ways they can call the method, that is get GC method, which is the static method. Using that method they can call the garbage collector, but there is no need to call that, because it will perform the garbage collection with the execution of the code side by side, like a thread, like a multiple threads are performing their task simultaneously. So like that garbage collector is performing their task simultaneously. We can say that garbage collector is a thread which is executed with our main thread, and because of that our compilation continues, and the side by side the garbage collection is done continuously. So with this all I like to stop here. Thank you.